Here we have a 2019 69 plate Ford Ranger WILDTRAK. Now we do have the LED headlights as well as that big front grille. We do have the light bar on the front there with the bash bar just at the bottom. We have the wide arch kit as well as the Riviera style alloy wheels with the all-terrain off-road tyres on there as well. You have the WILDTRAK decals on either side with the side steps. That rear bed is called an Alpha rear bed, so we do have the windows on the side, and you also have the roof bars just on top, and you also have storage just in there as well. Now on this vehicle you do get front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera, tow bar just down there as you can see, with the Ranger and the WILDTRAK badging and decals on the rear. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and rear does look superb from every angle. Now if we go to the rear, I'll show you bits of the interior of this car. Now as you can see, we do have full leather seats throughout with the ISOFIX points pull down. RMS just in the centre with two nice sized cup holders. Looking just down there, you do have your 12 volt and also your plug sockets just down there. On the doors you have your electric windows. Go to the front. There's a look at the driver's front seat. Now it is again full leather. There's the WILDTRAK just stitched in up there. You have the fabric accents on the sides. On the doors you have your electric windows. Jumping inside the car, looking just down there, you have your auto lights with your power folding mirrors. Now you do have a multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter just on the right hand side, as you can see just there. Now this vehicle has done just over 31,180 miles and is free from any warnings on the dashboard. Now you do have your lane keeping assist at the end of the stalk, as you can see just there. I can see lane keeping assist is on and off. Screen in the centre where you can find your satellite navigation. You also have your audio connectivity, so you have DAB and all those other settings there. Your climate control, which is dual zone. Your Bluetooth phone connectivity. Now if you go to mobile apps, you can see you can add device and also find mobile apps. You have all these different settings here as well. We can have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can change the colours of the ambient lighting inside the vehicle. Pop it into reverse. You can see we do have the rear reversing camera with your front and rear parking sensors. Looking down there, you have your dual zone climate control again. You do also have two heated front seats. You also have a front heated windscreen, like most modern Fords do. So for those cold winter mornings when your front windscreen is frosted up, press that button, it defrosts in no time at all. Two 12 volt connectivities, two USB ports just down there. Parking sensors, stop start. You also have traction control on and off. Rear diff lock and also downhill ascent assist. Two-wheel drive high, four-wheel drive high, and also four-wheel drive low. There's a quick look at the passenger's full leather front seat again with the WILDTRAK just stitched in. Now this vehicle is available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.